How do you test welding gloves? When it comes to welding, safety is non-negotiable. One of the most important pieces of personal protective equipment is welding gloves. So, how do you test welding gloves to ensure they are up to the task? Let's break it down step by step. First, a visual and physical inspection is essential. Before any formal testing begins, you should look for defects like holes, tears, or weak seams. The gloves need to be intact to provide the necessary protection. You should also feel the glove material to check for uniform thickness and flexibility. This ensures they can handle the demands of welding work. Next, you will want to conduct penetration and permeation tests. These tests confirm that the gloves do not allow air, water, or molten metal to pass through. A common method is the air permeation test. Here, the glove's interior gets pressurized with air while you check for leaks. Similarly, a water penetration test involves filling the glove with water and observing if any leaks occur over a set time. This is critical to ensure hazardous substances do not reach the skin. Then, you have heat and flame resistance testing. Since welding exposes gloves to intense heat, they must be tested for heat resistance. This involves subjecting the gloves to direct flame or radiant heat to see how long they can withstand without burning or degrading. The materials used are often thick leather or advanced fire-resistant fabrics that can endure extreme temperatures. Mechanical protection tests are also vital. Welding gloves should resist mechanical risks like abrasion, cut, tear, and puncture. Standards such as European Norm 380/8 specify test methods for these properties. Gloves are subjected to controlled mechanical forces to measure their durability and protective capability. This is especially important for welders who handle sharp metal pieces or tools. Compliance with safety standards is another key factor. Welding gloves must meet specific safety standards like European Norm 12477, which defines requirements and test methods for welding gloves. Manufacturers typically provide certification that their gloves comply with these standards after rigorous laboratory testing. Finally, practical field testing is essential. Beyond laboratory tests, gloves should be evaluated in real-world welding environments. This includes checking how well they protect against sparks, molten splatter, and heat during actual welding operations. Welders assess comfort, dexterity, and grip, which are crucial for performing precise work safely. In high-risk professions like logging, deep-sea fishing, or storm chasing, reliable gloves are a must. Workers in these fields also face extreme hazards, so welding gloves need to combine protection with durability and flexibility. Testing ensures these gloves can withstand not only heat and sparks but also mechanical wear and exposure to moisture or chemicals. In summary, testing welding gloves involves visual inspection, penetration and permeation tests, heat and flame resistance trials, mechanical durability assessments, and compliance with established safety standards. These steps guarantee that gloves provide the necessary protection to welders and workers in similarly hazardous professions, helping reduce injury risks in some of the most dangerous work environments.